16 legs and bugs with lots of eyes. I like spiders that crawl on the floor and eat up all the flies.
This is our 4th annual Bug Fest. This is a place where people can come and learn all about insects. I think people come in here with a lot of preconceived notions about, you know, the insects are scary or they're creepy or they're invading our homes and we need to use pest control. And this is to show a different perspective of insects, that they are actually so important as pollinators, as decomposers, and we need to learn to appreciate them and respect them and protect them. I have loved insects ever since I was a child. I was collecting bugs and it was one of my passions. And so now coming here and being able to put on an entire festival dedicated to something that I really, really love and enjoy and love teaching people about, that is where that passion comes from. Every station is kind of geared towards different ages. We do have our kids corner in the back there that is more towards pre-K age. We have like the ant colony role play, so people can pretend to be an ant in a colony and like do different jobs. We've got a pollinator matching game to see like what insects go to each plant and how they're connected to those. We've got macroinvertebrate magnet fishing, so there's little bugs that live in the water and like magnet fishing for them to kind of learn about the insects that live there, different things about pollinators. We have a whole craft pavilion inside there where you can do crafts. We have our partners here who have more information for adults, and then just different activities that can be geared towards any age range. We have support from a number of different staffs from different places. A lot of them are through Fairfax County, but some of them are external too, and they've been coming to this festival for the last couple of years, and so we keep inviting them back and we have created a partnership with them. Overall, it's really fun. I enjoy it, having people interacting with everything and learning things and having a good time, and it's great that we can offer this to the community and share our knowledge and passion.
I like bugs. I like bugs. Bugs. The bigger they are, the better I like them. Bugs. I like bugs.
For more information, please go to our website and you can find information about Bug Fest there.